Looking to work your core and build abdominal strength in a short period of time? Well, today's class is perfect for you. This is a 10-minute core-focused strength building class. Hey friends, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me for a class today. Now, as I mentioned, this one is all about our tummy muscles. It's a good one for those of us that maybe don't always like to curl our head and chest up because we don't have to for the majority of class. So, roll out your mat. Let's get started. Come to a seat on your mat and just arrive in whatever comfortable position feels best for you. Take a moment to sit up a little taller, roll the shoulders back, start to wrap your tummy muscles in, lift up and out of the waist. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, lean back, tuck your chin to your chest, and then push your sternum forward, just waking up the spine a little bit. Nothing too big, nothing crazy. Back and forth. And then from here, push your sternum forward, pause, and swirl your chest around 3 times. And then we will swirl to the other side 3 times. And pause. Sit up taller and straighter, navel to spine. Take a breath. Let it go. Lay on your back. Arrive on your back. And take a moment here and let's immediately imprint the spine. Remember, that means to lightly press the small back down. It's like I'm pulling my pubic bone almost up towards my belly button without actually lifting my tail off the floor. Open your hands a little bit wider, roll the shoulders back, and feel the support the ground can give your shoulder blades. Almost push your palms and the backs of your arms deep into the floor. Now really start to turn on your tummy muscles. Take a big inhale, pick up your right leg, take another breath. Pick up your left leg. See if you can squeeze the inner thighs together. If they separate a little bit, not the end of the world, but I just don't want them to massively externally rotate. We're not going for a great big external rotation. Now from here, tap your right toe way down to the floor. Pause. Did your back arch? If it did, maybe lift the leg up a little bit and really think about hollowing your stomach, drawing it in. Take a breath. Bring that leg up. Set the other leg down. Again, you might touch the floor, you might actually have to lift it up a little higher. It's a-okay. But I want us to establish that spot where the lowest position we can take our leg without arching the back is. Bring both legs back together. Now drop your right toe, pause, and we're going to quickly switch our legs back and forth on a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, both legs together. Cinch your waist, shoulders down the back, left toe down, big inhale, switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, both legs back together, navel to spine, chest open, right toe down, switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, both legs back together, shoulders open, and again, left toe down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, both legs back together. One more set to each side. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, both legs together. Last time, left toe down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, knees in, tummy is pulling in, chest nice and open. Reach both toes down to the ground. Exhale, pull both toes up. Inhale, both toes down. Exhale, cinch the waist both up. And again, your feet might not actually touch the floor. It's a-okay if they don't. What's more important is keeping your low back connected to the mat the entire time. Inhale, legs down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, legs down. Exhale, lift. 3 more down, exhale, pick it up. 2 more down, exhale, pick it up. Last one down, exhale, pick it up, pause. Shoulders open, nose to the sky, take a breath. Set your feet on the floor. Hands behind the head, elbows wide. Take a big inhale, curl head and chest up. Think about folding from the sternum, curling your shoulders up away from the floor. No matter where you are, Take a moment and envision a great big heavy weight sitting on your tummy, encouraging those muscles to grow deeper to the center of the body. Take a breath. Can you lift up just a hint higher? Look over your kneecaps, elbows nice and wide. Big inhale, pick up your right leg. Take a breath. Pick up your left leg. Squeeze the inner thighs. If you need to set one leg down, of course, that's okay. If we can keep both legs lifted, that's awesome. We're just going to move our right leg. Stretch the right leg long. Exhale, pull it in. Stretch the right leg long. Exhale, pull it in. 3 more. 2. Last one. Hold. Left leg, straighten. Exhale, pull. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, pull. Reach and release. Reach and release. 3 and 2. Last one. Now we're going to switch back and forth. So right leg, left leg. Right leg, left leg. Back and forth. Can you keep your head and chest lifted? I'm still pulling my shoulders up and away from the ground. Beautiful. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both legs in. Take a big breath. Set your feet down. Open elbows wide. Lower head and chest to the ground. Take a pause or two. Knit the ribs in. Tummy pulls in. Take a breath. Curl head and chest up. Think about your left shoulder reaching across towards your right knee. I'm going to curl and lift up higher, and then look back center. Switch to the other side. Bring it center. Exhale, twist and release. Exhale, twist and release. Big twist, pull it back. Big twist, pull it back. 3 more sets. 2 more. Last set. Last one. Look center, fold a little higher, take a breath, lower head and chest down. Reach your hands over your head, wiggle your fingers, and then again, we're going to take our hands by our sides. Shoulders open wide, navel pulling in, and low back touching down. Pick up your right leg, pick up your left leg. Can we straighten both legs up to the sky? If we cannot fully straighten the legs, it's okay if there's a bend in the knee, friends. But otherwise, reach up through the entire leg, like someone is holding your hips in place and physically pulling your ankles up to the sky. Drop your right leg as low as you can without arching the back. Exhale, pick it up. Drop the left leg as low as you can. Exhale, pick it up. Inhale, right leg down. Exhale, cinch the waist lift. Inhale, left leg down. Exhale, cinch the waist lift. Right leg down. Exhale, pull it up. Left leg down. Exhale, pull it up. Down, cinch and lift. Down, cinch and lift. 1 more set at this pace. Now, drop your right leg, and we're going to go a little faster. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause both legs together. Squeeze your inner thigh, shoulders down the back. Relieve any tension from your neck. Drop your left leg and go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together, navel to spine. Right leg down. Big inhale. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together. Squeeze the inner thigh, shoulders down the back. Left leg down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs back together. 1 more set to each side. Right leg down. Take a breath. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together. Last time, left leg down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both legs together. Squeeze the inner thigh, shoulders down the back. Take a breath. Set the legs down, hands behind the head. Immediately curl head and chest up, folding from the sternum. Low belly pulls up and in. Take a big inhale. Pick up your right leg. Take another breath. Pick up your left leg. Now from here, straighten your left leg. Take a big inhale. Curl your left shoulder up towards your right knee. Take a big inhale. Exhale, switch. I'm lifting up through the back of my shoulder, really trying to curl. Big inhale, exhale, switch. Big inhale, exhale, switch. Big inhale, switch, back and forth. Slow and steady, almost squeezing inner thighs towards one another as we take this big twist. 3, 2, last set. Both legs together. Take a breath, little micro crunch up. Take another breath, reach your toes further away, squeeze the inner thighs, take a big breath. Set the feet down, set head and chest down. Reach your hands over your head. Take a sway of your knees side to side. Maybe just got a little pop in your back like I did. Hopefully that felt good. Roll to one side. Push yourself up to a nice, easy seat. Sit taller, sit straighter, shoulders back. Take a breath. As always, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed our 10-minute ab workout class, and I hope to see you again soon.